Hello everyone, e-bikes are becoming more popular every day. But before you buy one, or if you already have one, just remember not all e-bikes are the same.
That's right. Class 1 and 2 e-bikes top out at 20 miles per hour, while Class 3 can go up to 28 miles per hour. If you're riding a Class 3 in Gahanna, you must be at least 16 years old and you should wear a helmet.
Speaking of helmets, your hairstyle isn't safety equipment. Wear one that's certified along with bright or reflective clothing, and make sure you have front and rear lights or reflectors whenever you ride.
Remember, e-bikes are legally treated as vehicles. That means you must stop at all red lights and stop signs, yield to pedestrians, and signal your turns.
And put the distractions away. Headphones, phones, and scrolling can wait. Your safety can't. Stay alert, watch for pedestrians and other vehicles, and also other riders.
Also, sidewalks aren't racetracks. In business districts like Creekside, no bicycles or e-bikes are allowed on sidewalks. Class 3 e-bikes can't be used on sidewalks anywhere, and Class 1 and 2 can only be used on sidewalks under pedal power.
Ride smart, ride visible, and we'll see you out there.